Nobody likes paying taxes, but unfortunately, they are a fact of life. There are a few things you can do, however, to potentially reduce your overall tax bill as a homeowner. So they're called tax exemptions, and there's two main types. There's mandatory and optional in the state of Alaska. Mandatory tax exemptions apply to senior citizens and disabled veterans. So they qualify senior citizens as anyone 65 years of age or older. And then for disabled veterans, they need to have at least a 50% disability rating. And then in addition to that, it also applies to the widows of those senior citizens or those disabled vets. But that widow needs to be at least 60 years old. What they do is they basically make the first $150,000 exempt the assessed value of your house. So it's pretty substantial. Okay, those are the mandatory ones. The optional ones are what's called a residential tax exemption. Now you need to actually fill out a form and submit this to the state to be approved. So it doesn't happen automatically. And what it does is they reduce the tax assessed value of your house by either 40% or $75,000, whichever is less. And so it is a significant amount of money at the end of the day that you save in taxes. So if your property is your primary residence, you're living there, it's your home, make sure you have that residential tax exemption form filled out. I'll put a link to it in my description. And then, of course, if you're a veteran or a senior citizen, you want to ensure that you're taking advantage of those huge savings also. As always, low rates, high speed.